Good morning, children. Now we come to caste distinction in ancient India. Now, caste meaning varna or color originated in the Vedic period. So, we can say that this caste system started in the Vedic period, and it also started with the coming of the Aryans. Now, through this distinction, Aryans claimed supremacy over the conquered. It was a Portuguese word meaning clan. Now, these Aryans, when they came to India, they came from Central Asia and they mastered the art of cultivation. And since they started different type of work, so there was division of labor. So some were the cultivators, some were the Brahmins who were involved in the prayers and all, some were the traders in this way, and some were the laborers who were doing the other type of work. So there started the division of laborers, and they settled as agriculturists and developed the caste system. So they were the agriculturists and they started the caste system. And there was also one very common word used as Gavasti. This is a Sanskrit word which means fight for the cows. Now, as it is told that there was always a fight between the various tribes of the Aryans for fertile land and herds of cattle. These fights were very common. Now, what were the four type of caste which started with the coming of the Aryans? Now, let us see. First is the Brahmins. Now, this category is the priest. They perform the religious rituals. So this was the highest caste, you can say. This belong to the priest category. So all the priests and the Brahmins, so they belong to this caste and they used to perform the religious rituals. Then the Kshatriyas, they were the warriors. They were very brave and strong and they protected the people. Then third was the Vaishyas, they were the traders. So they were the traders in agriculture, in industry, in commerce, etc. And then the Shudras means the laborer caste. These people, they serve the upper class people. They used to clean the fields and do all such type of cleaning work. So they were the laborers, but they were not the slaves. These Shudras, they were not the slaves of the upper caste, but they used to just serve the upper caste. They were paid for such thing. Now, so with the coming of the Aryans, we say that the caste system started, and it started in the Vedic period. Now let us see. Now, when these Aryans, they started this division of labor, there was a group of people dealing with trade and commerce. This led, so when the Aryans, they started this caste system, there were only three castes: Brahmins, Kshatriyas and Shudras. There was no Vaishya. So this Vaishya caste, it came later on when they started this division of labor. So there was a group of people who came up, those who were dealing with trade and commerce, and then this caste known as Vaishya came into form. Now then this non-Aryans and mixed Aryans, now this Shudra was formed with the help of this non-Aryans and the mixed Aryans. They became the Shudras. The concept of pollution also figured during this time as those who undertook the unclean occupations. So the Shudras, they used to perform all the unclean occupations like cleaning of carcasses, then fishing, and occupation came into existence. So these were the four caste systems which came up in the Vedic period with the coming of the Aryans. Now in the next video we will go for the social divisions.